Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw 3 different types of diamonds: easy, medium, and hard. So let's start off with the easy diamond. First, draw a straight line, and right underneath that, draw another straight line parallel to the top line, but make it a little bit wider. So I'm going to go out a little bit further on the left side and go out a little bit further on the right side. Now we're going to use that bottom line that we just drew, and we're going to make an upside down triangle. So try and make the triangle centered. So you might want to make a little mark there in the middle and draw a line to that mark. And the same line on the other side, and complete the upside down triangle. Now we're going to draw 2 lines on the side of the top of the diamond, connecting the 2 parallel lines that we drew. And from here you're going to want to draw a line from the very top left corner to the tip of the diamond and the top right corner to the tip of the diamond. Now you're going to want to find the center of the top line of the diamond, and you're going to want to draw a line from that center down to this little corner. And you're going to want to do the same on the other side, from the center of the top line to that inside corner. And that finishes the easy diamond. So now we can go ahead and get started on the medium level diamond, which is going to be a little bit more complicated than this, but a little bit more simple than the hard diamond. So to start out, draw another straight line. And just like the easy diamond, we're going to draw another line parallel to the top line, but just a little bit longer. Start out a little bit further on the left side and come out a little bit further on the right side. And just like the easy diamond, we're going to draw an upside down triangle using that bottom line. So from the left side of that line, draw a line down right around to the center point of that line. You want the tip of the triangle on the bottom to be right around the center of the line that you just drew. So from here you're going to draw a line connecting the top line to the bottom line, and the same on the right side. So now you'll see the basic shape of the medium diamond is about the same as the easy diamond. But the inside of the diamond is where it starts to get a little bit more difficult. So what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to want to draw a line from the center of the very top of the diamond and draw it all the way down to the tip. So now it looks like you have a T in the middle of the diamond. And from here, you're going to want to pick a point about 1/3 of the way on the inside of that bottom line and draw a line down to the tip. And do the same on the other side. Great job. Now you're going to want to connect that left line that you just drew to the very tip of the T. And do the same with the right side. Now, from this little corner, you're going to want to draw a line from the top corners of the diamond and connect it to that inside corner, and the same with the other side. So from here, on the left section of the diamond, on that bottom line, you're going to want to find a point right around halfway, right around the middle of that line. Make a little mark and draw a line from that mark down to the tip. And the same with the other side, right around the middle of that section there, and draw it down to the point of the diamond. And now you're going to want to connect the lines that you just drew to the top left corner of the diamond and the top right corner of the diamond. And there you go. You just finished the medium level diamond. Great job. Now we can go ahead and get started on the hard diamond. So the hard diamond is going to be very similar in shape to the easy and medium diamond, but we're going to make it just a little bit wider. So the top line is going to be a little bit wider, and the bottom line is going to be a little bit wider than we did on the first two diamonds. So we'll start out just like the other two diamonds. Draw a straight line. And just like the other two diamonds, we're going to draw another straight line underneath there. And we're just going to make it a little bit wider than normal. So from here, this time I'm going to connect the two top lines first, and then we can go ahead and draw the bottom triangle. So go ahead and draw a line from the ends of the bottom line to the top line. Go ahead and do the left side there and the right side. And now we can go ahead and draw the bottom upside down triangle. So just like on the easy and medium, draw the triangle, make the tip of the triangle right around the center point of the diamond, just to make sure everything's nice and centered. You don't want the tip to be too far to the left or the right. You just want it to be nice and symmetrical. And from here, you're going to want to make a mark on the top line a little bit inside the corner to the center of the bottom line. So don't connect the corner. Bring that point a little bit further in on the line and draw a line to the center of the bottom line. And the same thing on the right side. Good job. Now you'll see here on the top that those two lines that you just made, they don't connect all the way to the corners. So that's going to be important once we finish the diamond. We don't want it to go all the way to the very edge. So from here, about a quarter of the way down this right edge, and draw a line from that point down to the bottom line. And now you can do the same on the left. Find a point a little bit down that edge, angle the line out a little bit. You don't want that line to be straight up and down, and connect to the bottom line. Great job. From here, you're going to want to make a point on the middle of the very top line and draw two lines out to the side. So from the middle of the top line, draw it out to the side and connect it with that right angled line, and with the left side as well. Now you're going to want to go where this line meets the left side and draw a line down to this corner, and the same with the right side, where that point is, and down to the corner. And from here, you're going to want to make 2 more little lines. So make a little mark, little on the inside of that bottom line, and draw it from this corner here down to that mark. You don't have to mark it, I just use that to help me, but feel free to just freehand it and draw a line from that down to the bottom line. So from here I'm going to draw 2 more lines from this bottom line up to the top of this little triangle. Again, you're going to want to angle it out a little bit, don't make it straight up and down. So on that left triangle, angle it out to the left, and on this right triangle, angle it out a little bit to the right. You don't want that line to be straight up and down. So now let's start to work on the bottom section of the diamond. So on this left side, about 2/3 of the way down, and on the right side, about 2/3 of the way down the line, I'm going to make little tick marks. And from here, I'm going to want to draw a line from this corner down to that little tick mark that I just made. So you're connecting that little line that comes down to meet the bottom line. You're connecting that corner to the tick mark that you made. Now you're going to want to draw another line to the same tick mark, but this time from this corner right here. Straight line down to the tick mark, and another straight line from that corner down to the tick mark. From here, you're going to want to draw another line, but this time you're going to connect the bottom of this line down to the very point of the diamond. And you're going to want to do the same on the right side, from that line down to the very tip of the diamond. Now from here, you're going to want to make 2 more tick marks about the same distance down the diamond as the tick marks you made earlier on the left and right side of the diamond. And you're going to want to make another line from this corner up here down to that tick mark that you just drew. And the same on the right side, from that upper corner down to the tick mark that you just drew on the right side. Good job. And from here, you're going to want to take the bottom of this point right there and draw it to that same tick mark on the left side that you just drew. And do the same for the right side, from the bottom of that point down to the tick mark. Now the 2 last lines that we're going to draw are going to be what I referred to earlier in the video. So you're going to want to take that top corner and draw a line right across the corner. So from that point to this point, and there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video of the 3 different diamonds, the easy, the medium, and the hard. Please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below and let me know what you'd like me to draw next. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.